The Enchanted Palette, a magical journey of colors in the whimsical town of Croneville, where every building and tree was painted in vibrant hues. There lived a curious and imaginative little girl named Lily. Lily was known for her love of colors, and her room was a masterpiece of rainbows and patterns that seemed to dance across the walls. One sunny morning, as Lily was exploring the town's colorful park, she stumbled upon an old, mysterious paintbrush. The paintbrush shimmered with an ethereal glow, and beside it lay a magical palette filled with colors that seemed to come alive. Intrigued, Lily picked up the enchanted tools, and as she did, a soft voice echoed in the air. "Hello, Lily. I've been waiting for someone who sees the magic in colors. I am Prismia, the guardian of the enchanted palette," the voice spoke. Lily's eyes widened with excitement. She had heard tales of the enchanted palette that held the magic of colors, capable of creating wonders beyond imagination. Prismia explained, "Lily, you are the chosen one. With this enchanted paintbrush and palette, you can bring color to the world in ways you've never dreamed of. But be careful, for with great magic comes great responsibility." Lily, being an adventurous spirit, couldn't wait to discover the possibilities that the magical tools held. She dipped the brush into a vivid blue color and painted a small butterfly on the canvas in front of her. To her astonishment, the butterfly came to life, fluttering its wings and dancing in the air. Overjoyed with her newfound ability, Lily decided to embark on a magical journey through Croneville, using the enchanted palette to bring color and life to everything she touched. As she painted, the town transformed into a living kaleidoscope, with flowers that sang in harmonious colors and trees that whispered tales of the enchanted woods. However, Lily soon realized that the magic of colors wasn't just about bringing joy. It was also about understanding the emotions each color held. One day, as she dipped her brush into a deep shade of purple, she felt a surge of calmness and tranquility. The color seemed to have a soothing effect on everything it touched. Intrigued by this discovery, Lily decided to use her magical paintbrush to help the town. She painted calming shades of blue on the walls of the library, turning it into a haven of relaxation where townsfolk could read and dream peacefully. The once bustling market square transformed into a lively carnival of warm, inviting colors, bringing the community together in harmony. As Lily continued her magical journey, she encountered challenges that required the unique properties of each color. The town faced a long drought, and the once green fields turned brown and barren. Lily used the vibrant green from her palette to paint a meadow that miraculously brought the rain, turning the fields lush and fertile once again. Word of Lily's magical abilities spread, and soon, people from neighboring towns came to witness the enchantment she brought to Croneville. The once small town became a beacon of color and inspiration, drawing artists, dreamers, and adventurers from all corners of the land. One day, as Lily wandered into the heart of the enchanted woods, she encountered the color guardian spirits of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Each guardian bestowed upon her a unique gift, enhancing the magic of her palette. Red, the guardian of passion, gifted Lily the ability to paint fiery hues that sparked enthusiasm and determination. Orange, the guardian of joy, granted her the power to create colors that radiated happiness and warmth. The other guardians, in turn, shared their gifts, enhancing Lily's magical journey with the essence of their colors. With her newfound powers, Lily continued to bring color and magic to the world. She painted breathtaking sunsets that lit up the sky in a symphony of oranges, pinks, and purples. She transformed ordinary rocks into gemstones that sparkled in the sunlight, creating a dazzling pathway through the enchanted woods. Yet, amidst all the magic and wonder, Lily remembered Prismia's words about responsibility. She realized that colors held the power not only to bring joy, but also to convey emotions and messages. Lily decided to use her enchanted tools to inspire kindness, compassion, and understanding among the people of Croneville and beyond. One day, she received a message that a neighboring town, Grayscale Village, was struggling with monotony and sadness. Lily decided to visit and, with the help of her magical palette, turn the town into a vibrant masterpiece of colors. The people of Grayscale Village, once downtrodden, found hope and happiness in the kaleidoscope of their transformed surroundings. As Lily's reputation as the guardian of the enchanted palette spread, she received a summons from the Grand Color Council, a gathering of wise beings who watched over the balance of colors in the world. They commended Lily for her responsible use of the enchanted tools and entrusted her with the task of preserving the magic of colors for generations to come. Lily continued her magical journey, exploring new lands, meeting fantastical creatures, and using the enchanted palette to create a world where colors danced with purpose and meaning. And so, in Chromeville and beyond, the magic of colors became a symbol of hope, inspiration, and the boundless imagination that lived within the heart of every dreamer. As Lily looked at the ever-changing canvas of her world, she realized that the true magic of colors was not just in their hues and shades, but in the emotions, stories, and connections they forged. A magical journey that would continue to paint the canvas of her adventures for years to come. For years.